Welcome to our Module 12 in Intermediate Excel. In this video exercise, we'll look at how to create tables and make our data more dynamic. Let's take a look at this example here. We have some data here. You can see in our A column IMEI, B phone, and then in C column model, unit price, then quantity sold, and sale number. Now basically to create a table there is a shortcut key. I can use Control T, and then this gives me an option here, but if you notice here it's also selecting the data. Now I'm going to see the option there. It says where is the data for your table. Automatically Excel is selecting that. Now also there's a check marked option, which is my table has headers. Make sure that this is check marked and then you press OK. Now if you notice in our title, in our row 1, there is a drop down menu on the top, and that means they made it on a table and you have options there. Now let's click on this table and you will see, or you'll notice, a tab there which is called Design. If you click on Design, we have also some table styles on the right hand side, and if we go on to these table styles, or even if we take our mouse over there, it's showing us a preview. Now I can click on the corner of those table style and it gives you more options here. Light, medium, and if I go down it gives you dark, and then you can click on new table style. You can also clear from there if you want to clear the whole table. See, now it's cleared. Now I'm going back again and I'm going to use new table style. Over here we have new table style with table element. I'm going to select whole table and then I'm going to click format. I can use any one of these font, borders, or fills to the way I like. There are different colors to choose from. I'm going to go on border, and then you can choose the border inside the table, outline the table, or none, and you can use the background color as well. I'm going to press OK. If you notice, the whole table has a preview on the right side, but in the table element you can also see that whole table is now showing as bold because we have used that. Now I'm going to basically use another one. Let's say first column stripe. Any changes if I make, you can choose color, go to border again, or font, going to choose italic, and then press OK. Now you have another preview over there. I don't like that, but the way the preview is, we're okay with that just to get the understanding of it. I can also clear it from here, and let's choose one of those bold previews from one here and press OK. Now if I go into my table styles, click on the table style, and if I go there, now you see that our new table style is there. The main thing I see, I pressed OK. When I did hit OK, my table did not change. However, it came into my table styles. I can use it now and change it. I can go to the home tab now, and under the home tab it says format as table, and you can see the same table over there. Okay, I can do the right click now, and then I have different options to delete, modify, or apply and clear formatting, or set as default. I'm going to click there. Now let's go on to any one of these menu, like let's say sales. There is an option if I do a right click on sales. We have number filters, and we have some options there: greater than or equal to, above average, below average, and you can also change the color to custom sort. You can go to other ones, like which is sort smallest to largest, sort by color, and then you have different options there with those numbers. So whichever column you go to, you will see in that, and you can filter them. So let's press cancel. Now let's go to the end of the table by using keyboard shortcut key which is Control plus End, and this will take me to the last record of this table. Now let's assume you want to add a record here, but you have already created a table. So how would you do that? Now there's a key you can use here because the table feature is very dynamic, and to add new records I'm going to press Tab here. If I hit Tab, and you see there is a background color because table is adding another line. If I just click on the next line from my mouse, it won't add it. See, now it's not doing it, but because in the previous line I hit Tab, that's why it added the line. Okay, so I'm going to write some data here. Okay, to write Nokia C. Now if we like to go on filters now, this is a dynamic table. What it did, it basically added that into the table. You can see that there's ABC here. You can select that and press OK, then you will see just that line. I'm gonna clear that again, and the main thing is that you can change the format of any of these cells in a table. Okay, and then it's you have the same option, clear filter from model. So that's how you use the whole table techniques. You can format in many other ways. One more thing I want to show here is that, let's say if you click outside the table now, then you don't have the design tab anymore, because that design tab is built just for the table. Okay, so we'll speak about more exercises in other videos. See you in the next video.